Bonjour, comment allez-vous? Hello, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn French with Anubhav. If you have already subscribed to my channel, press the bell icon to get the latest updates. In this class, we are going to continue with CBSE Sample Paper Class 12, French 2022-23, and in the previous video, we discussed the subjective questions of Section D. Today, we are going to discuss the fill in the blanks of Section D, right? There are just 7 questions. You need to attempt 5, but we will be discussing all 7 of them. And each question, each fill in the blank carries 1 mark, right? And read the question carefully. Complétez et récrivez. So you need to fill the blank and you need to rewrite the sentences. So you cannot omit that. You need to rewrite, right? Complétez et récrivez, because the question is asking you to do so, isn't it? So please write the full sentence. I, on the other hand, will be writing only the words because time constraint and space constraint is there, right? But you, while attempting the sample paper or while attempting the actual paper, make sure that you are rewriting the sentence as well, because it's written in the question. Complétez et récrivez, right? So, all my other videos based on this particular sample paper are present in the playlist. I will create a playlist which will be titled as CBSE Class 12 French 2022-23. So there you will be getting all those videos of the sample paper and the ones of the answer key as well, right, in future for this batch. The way I do for class 10th. This is the first time I'm doing for 12th. So yeah, I will use the same approach. Anyways, let's discuss the fill in the blanks quickly. There are just 7 questions and the video is going to be really short. So that's not an issue. Anyways, question number 1. And one more thing. Yes, 2 more things. Point number 1, the sample paper is made by CBSE, though the credit goes to them. It's just that I'm discussing the answers here. And point number 2, like if you read the questions, you will see that most of the questions are framed from the subjective questions only, right? The questions that are there in subjective form in the back of the book, those are only converted into the fill in the blanks. So a humble request from you guys that from chapter 18 to 23, kindly prepare all the subjective questions really well, because most of the questions in Culture de Civilisation, be it objective or subjective, are going to be from there only. Right, so prepare really well. Of course, my videos are there and their link is also provided in the description box. You can go to them, right? Okay, so for first one, without wasting any further time, let's proceed. So I guess it was named as question number 5B, if I'm not wrong, right? And then we have for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So first one is les diverses sortes de même vin s'appellent. So the diverse types of the same wine is known as what? Cru. Right? We have already done in that Bourgogne chapter, right? Les crus. I am making these 3 dots to indicate that you need to write the full sentence, okay? And it will be really better if you underline the word as well to highlight the answer, right? Presentation matters in a subjective paper. And it takes hardly a second, right? Underlining thing. On goûte le vin avec un dash. How do we taste the wine? We taste with a small glass, right? You can be specific as well, a silver glass, gobelet d'argent, as written in the chapter, or you can simply write gobelet as well, right? Not a big issue. So, on goûte le vin avec un gobelet, and you may also add d'argent. It's completely fine. Third, les cadeaux de Noël s'appellent aussi dash. Now, in the marking scheme, it's given etuden. I checked it on net and I found etuden only. Like in the chapter, like if you read the chapter, anyone can interpret that etuden are the gifts that are given by the elders in the new year. Right? And that is what etudens are. But it's the term used for Christmas gifts as well. So you can very well write les etudens. In the sample paper also the answer is etuden only. Les cadeaux de Noël s'appellent aussi. You need to write the full sentence. Then les etudens. Fourth one we have pour monter aux champs de neige. So for climbing the ice fields or the icy heights, one takes what? Telepherique. right? The mountain cable car, telepheric. So for climbing the icy heights, or one takes the telepheric, the mountain cable car, right? So you need to write the full sentence and then you need to write the answer. Le téléphérique. Perfect. Fifth one we have, les fermes provençales s'appellent les what? What's the term used for the French, the farms in Provence? Ma, right. So, les fermes provençales s'appellent les ma. Second last, dash sauvages vivent dans les plaines de Camargue. So, dash wild live in the plains of Camargue, the bulls, right? Taureau. So, les taureaux, and then rest of the sentence, okay? And the last one, on chauffe la salle de l'auberge avec un dash. So one heats the hostel room with what? With a stove. We have already done that in the chapter, right? Avec un poêle. Write the whole sentence and then un poêle. With this, we complete section D of the sample paper. Okay, and from next video on sample paper, I might go for grammar or writing. Let's see which one I take up, right? Of course, we have to do the whole sample paper only, need not to worry about that. I'll try to complete it within this month, December, right? Probably there are like 2-3 months for the exam, so we will have ample time to prepare. And of course, revision videos I'll try to upload as much as I can once the sample paper is over, right? So let's put a halt here. C'est tout pour aujourd'hui. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel Learn French with Anubhav. And if you have any doubt or suggestion, you may write that in the comment section below. You may also like my Facebook page by the same name, Learn French with Anubhav. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Au revoir. N'oubliez pas que la langue française est l'amour.